In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow pop-ups in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if a website is not opening a login window, a payment page, a download prompt, or another important pop-up that you actually need to use. If you've ever clicked something and wondered why nothing appears, this setting is probably the reason. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots icon to open the main menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where you can manage all of Edge's browser preferences and privacy options. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand side and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls a lot of browser behavior, including tracking protection, security, and site-related features. Now scroll through the options until you find Site Permissions. Click that to continue. Site Permissions is where Edge lets you control what websites are allowed to access, like your camera, microphone, location, notifications, and pop-ups. On the next screen, look for All Permissions and select it. This expands the full list of permission settings. Now find pop-ups and redirects and click on it. This is the specific setting that controls whether websites can open new windows or send you to another page automatically. By default, Edge usually blocks pop-ups for safety, which is why many websites won't display certain forms or new tabs unless you change this setting. To allow pop-ups, toggle off the block recommended option. Once that switch is turned off, pop-ups will be allowed in Microsoft Edge. After that, go back to the website you were trying to use and refresh the page if needed. The pop-up should now work normally. If it still doesn't appear, make sure the website isn't being blocked by another extension or security setting, and check whether the page needs a refresh or a new sign-in attempt. This is a simple fix, but it can solve a lot of common browsing issues very quickly. So to recap, click the three dots, open Settings, go to Privacy, Search, and Services, select Site Permissions, open all permissions, choose pop-ups and redirects, and then turn off Block Recommended. That's it. You've now learned how to allow pop-ups in Edge. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.